Hey there, are you struggling to get targeted traffic you need to make money online? If so, you are not alone and you have come to the right place. It's Mbadiwe here and we have discovered a way to get boatloads of free traffic that virtually nobody is talking about. Little do they know, it's an untapped traffic goldmine, a blue ocean with all the traffic one ever needs. After this shocking discovery, we developed a software that siphons traffic from this source at roadrunner speed. And now we're giving you the chance to access it. Introducing the world's first Boomz. This software solves the biggest problem of all marketers: traffic. Click the button below to get your copy of Boomz before the price rises. And we'll see you inside.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and of course your life to the next level. Today I have an amazing software product, a traffic application for that matter, and this one is called Boomz. Boomz is going live on the 13th of April 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And in a nutshell, it's actually going to be live on the 13th, like I told you, and is being put out there by the super affiliate and creator Mbadiwe. And this very application, in a nutshell, is a traffic software that is going to siphon traffic from podcasts, YouTube videos and content, and of course Wikipedia, to create groundbreaking contents that will definitely attract traffic, because the basic requirement in this is that it helps you drive crazy, amazing traffic to any offer of your choice, and totally inbuilt it's the traffic, which means it siphons content from popular viral videos and content, and then push it out there for you to attract the clicks and the traffic you need from insane traffic sources that will blow your mind. And if as such this is a product you would like to have, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area to get a copy for yourself. When you click that link, it will bring you to my amazing bonus page, which is exactly this, and you can use this button red to grab a copy, and of course any of these other buttons scattered all over my bonus page. When you do click any of those, it will definitely take you to the sales page, which is exactly this, and you can check out with this very button. When you do, you will have a copy for yourself. If you stick with me also, I will show you through the software itself, the members area, the dashboard area of this very one, and be able to also show you exactly the demo video of this very software in action, so that you see exactly how this one works. And with that said, let us take a look at my bonus page and see what this product is all about. It's a groundbreaking cloud-based software that siphons high-quality unique content from podcasts, YouTube, Wikipedia, and 6 other viral media sharing platforms and Drive. And it's basically traffic on autopilot, and it will only have with one push of a button. So it's a one-click software that will help you make money online by driving traffic. As you may know, without traffic there is no way you can make money online, just like offline as well. Traffic is the customers that you have that will patronize your services. Okay, so this is basically what this one is all about. Now let us take a look at the pricing. The front end goes for $22, and it gives you access to this very powerful dashboard area, and of course that will be your own. And OTO number 1 for this goes as the unlimited version of the front end. It goes for $39, and you have the of course it's very recommended that you take a copy of the OTO number 1 of the Boomz software. And of course here you have OTO number 2 done for you. Everything is basically done for you at $97. You have OTO number 3, unlimited traffic from ocean of traffic. You will be able to siphon unlimited amount of traffic with this very OTO. That's $67. Here you have the automation, it goes for $39, and you have OTO 5, $57, OTO $687. And here are the amazing benefits you have with this one. No need article writing, no need video creation, no need paid ads. Start getting buyer traffic today. Totally unique and never seen before. This is what Mbadiwe is saying, and 100% newbie friendly. Previous experience is not required. You no need existing audience, and of course 90-day money back guarantee. That means after 90 days, which is 3 months, you have any reason or without any reason to return this product, you'll be able to do so and get your refund 100%. Okay. That basically brings us to the amazing bonuses that I have for you on this one. Here I have how to get traffic to any link of your choice, which is another very hack, that a bonus tutorial from me that is going to teach you how to complement the traffic you get from this very Boomz software. And of course, my bonus number 3 will be how to create free professional websites that will be able to complement by using this product to automate the traffic and the content you create from with this very Boomz and be able to attract the clicks that you need. And of course, my bonus number 3 will be how to convert that traffic that you get from Boomz into convert it and be able to get the clicks, because without converting the traffics you have with the hacks that this is going to teach you, it may be difficult even after having enormous amount of traffic to get the clicks that you need to convert the traffic. So this is a crazy hack that you may be interested in getting. And of course, my bonus number 4 will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. And this is another crazy hack that will teach you how to automate the system of making money with a special tutorial you will get from this. And this will definitely teach you how you can automate this system and be able to make money while you sleep. And now my bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses for Boomz. Those will be yours using this very bonus number 5 of mine. And of course, if you click this, like I told you, it will take you to the sales page where you use this to check out. When you do check out, under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, you'll find a button that gives you access to the purchase green, and here below you have the one that gives you amazing access to the bonuses that I have just shown you. And if there is anything, you can always reach out using this email. And that exactly takes care of my bonuses. And of course, the pricing, which I told you earlier, goes for 22 and OTO 20, OTO 1 39, and the rest you can see for yourselves when you get here. So now let us take a look at the dashboard area. And of course, immediately this is done, I will give you access to the video so that you see how this one performs. Here you have the training and tutorials that will help you set up this system for yourself. Here you have, of course, the dashboard, the campaigns that you need to mount with this very software in order to siphon the traffic that we are talking about. And here you have the post setting, WordPress, and the rest of them. In fact, let us not waste time on this. Let me show you the demo video so that you see how this video, how this very product performs in action, so that you can replicate that as soon as you purchase this one. Okay. After that, we'll go to the sales page to end this very review.
Hey, welcome to the Boomz demo video, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of this application. So Boomz is the application that will help you to get high value content, and this will help you to get free referral viral traffic. Also, you can share the content in your website if you have any website, or you can use the built-in website. So this is the dashboard, and I have already logged into my account. You can see that the left sidebar, here are the features of this application. This is the dashboard, and you will get the training and tutorials in the training tutorial sections. Also, after that, you can see that the campaign section. So from the campaign section, you can create campaigns. So before we show you how to create the campaign, let's go to the settings. And from the settings, you need to save some general settings, like you need to create your site. Like you can see that you need to put some details: site name, site title, site author, site tags, meta descriptions. Also, you can add the site image like website preloader, website favicon, website logo. You can set up the footer settings. Also, you can add your social share link, and you can add the cookie consent. Set up the other settings like the affiliate site setting. If you have Amazon affiliate, then you can set up it here. Also, you can set up the eBay. Then you can see that the content site settings. So if you want to grab content from YouTube, you need to put here the YouTube API. also web host, Flickr, Imgur, and the others like Pixabay, Vimeo. Then you need to set up the AWS key and secret key to get content from the video and audio. We'll talk about that in the campaign section. Then the Google Analytics settings, and then you can see that the autoresponder section. So you need to enter the Sendio token and secret key. So after setting up everything, let's go back to the campaign section, and let's create a campaign. Put the campaign title name and click on create campaign. So from here you need to choose content source. You can get content from audio and video file. You can choose them from your computer, or you can get content from the podcast. So to use these two features, you need to set up your AWS credential in the settings section. Then you can get viral content from the social media platform like Facebook, Pinterest, Flickr, Imgur, Vimeo. So if you don't have any audio file in your computer or stock video file, and if you don't want to get content from podcast, you can simply get viral content from the social sites like let's say YouTube. You need to type here the keyword. Let's say your keyword is make money online. Click enter and click on search content, and you can see that you need to just select a content from here, then click on go to next, and this is the content. So you can customize the article from here. You can insert link, you can change the text format style, also you can make them bold. You can add your affiliate link from here, then click on publish content. The content updated successfully. Now you can post it to your WordPress site, or you can post it to your built-in Boomz site. So I'm going to post it to my built-in site, and let's click here. So this is the blog title. You can select category, also you can add the blog tags, then click on publish, and the post published successfully. Now let's go back to the dashboard and visit your blog site. So this is our site, and the post is look like this. You can see that. Now let's go back to the post settings. You can customize the post. You can delete the post from the post settings, and you can add categories from the category section. Also you can add tags. So now let's go to the WordPress site section. From here you can add your WordPress site with Boomz. Just click on add new WordPress, and you need to put here the details of your WordPress site. So this is how you can add your WordPress site with Boomz. And the next one is the refer and earn section. So from here you can add new contest to get free viral referral traffic. Just click on add new contest, and you can set up everything from here, like you can add the title of your contest. You can set up the messages that the contest winner will get. You can set up the point like sign up point, referral points. So you can set up the contest button image, and you need to click on save. So this is how you can create contest to get more traffic, and this is how you can use Boomz. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
Welcome back to my channel where I review and promote cloud-based product, info products and training courses that will help you elevate your business, and of course at the end of the day your life to the next level. Here is the sales page that you have access to, and you will be able to use any of the links here to get a copy. If you need to make up your mind, these are some of the results that the creator is showing here, but I always advise that you buy the product based on what it does, which is an amazing, groundbreaking traffic, siphoning application that will help you siphon traffic on autopilot. And of course, that's basically what it does, and that is the essence of buying this one, so that you can drive traffic on autopilot to your links and to your offers. Okay, that's basically what you have here at your convenience. When you get here, you will have access to this very one and be able to see this for yourself, so that we don't waste a lot of time. Here it says it can siphon from Facebook, has a lot of traffic, and of course YouTube, and you have Wikipedia and all the other secret platforms, social media platforms, where it has siphons this traffic we're talking about. Imagine the amount of traffic we are dealing with here. So that's basically what you have. Like I told you before, at your convenience, when you get here, you'll be able to go through, scroll through this and see what it says for yourself. Let's see if we can locate the very bonuses that the vendor promised to give you, and then that will be yours from the link number 5 of mine. If we don't see that, definitely it will be waiting for you on the link of number 5 on my bonus page, and that will definitely help you see if this is going to definitely make money for you. But that, I can assure you, it's a product that you may like to have. Okay, that's basically what I have for you. Okay, I will make sure these are the bonuses actually. Bonus number 1, get results in the first 10 minutes. Bonus number 2, 3 ways to bank with Boomz. Bonus number 3, 15 of their previous apps they created. And bonus number 4, bonus number 5, 5 bonuses from the vendor, 4 from me. That's 9 amazing bonuses for this one. And with that said, let us wrap up this very review. And then of course, to do that, this is my bonuses, which you will have access to when eventually you pick up this very one from my link. They will be waiting for you on my Warrior Plus account, and you will be able to find so under your purchase history. This is basically about the far we can go with this one. I will come back to you in my next review. But before you go, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. I'll be with you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike signing off from here.